Good morning. Thank you for coming today. How are you doing?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm doing well, thank you. How about yourself?
I'm doing great. Thanks. So let's begin the interview.
Certainly, ma'am.
All right. Let's dive right in. Just to start, could you introduce yourself and tell me what motivates you to intern here at PT Media Kisaka?
Sure, my name is Sani Ismail Alizana, but you call me Sani. I am certainly fourth semester publishing student at Polytechnic Negeri Media Creative in Jakarta, South Jakarta. I've always been drawn to publishing work, particularly editing and proofreading. I really want to enter at PT Media Pusaka because of your great reputation. I believe this is the perfect place for me to shape my skill, gain work experience, and learn differently for the senior editor here.
That's great to hear. Speaking of your interest, we have a few openings. Which division are you learning toward? Editorial, design and production, or marketing and promotion?
I am definitely most interested in the editorial division, especially for the copy editorial position. I genuinely enjoy diving into manuscript, refining grammar and punctuation, and ensuring the content flowing clearly. I feel this role aligns perfectly with both my passion and my academic background.
Fair enough. But out of all industries, what is it that attracts you so much to book publishing?
I've always believed that books have a unique power and education atmosphere. Beyond that, I am fascinated with behind the scenes process, especially how a raw manuscript and shape and polish until it becomes high quality book ready for readers.
It is indeed a rewarding process. Now let's talk a bit more about your background. Aside from your studies, what what kind of activities or experience have you been involved in?
Aside from classes, I'm quite active in student organization, served as the secretary for the student association, which really helped me develop my administration skill, teamwork, and sense of responsibility. I'm also frequently join campus event community, which has been great to shaping me my time managing and coordinating skill.
It sounds like a solid foundation. Based on based on this experience, what would you say is your biggest strength that will support your performance during this internship?
It stay my attention for to detail, which I believe is crucial for the copy editor. Thanks to my experience handling office documents, even logistic in my organization, it also develops strong organization skill. On top of that, I adapt actually, so I can work just effectively on my own as I do in a team.
On the flip side, we all have areas to improve. What is one weakness you are currently working on?
Sometimes I take overthink minor detail because I really want the final output to be perfect. However, I'm managing the setting script, personal design, and working on time management, so I can stay awake without sacrificing quality.
That's a good way balance it. You mentioned your organizational experience earlier. Can you share a specific activity that really helped? develop your communication and creative skills?
Recently, my time as secretary in the role I had to act as the bridge between external communicate members and external parties. It forced my to communication clearly and professionally. Additionally, working on event community taught me how to stay calm and communicate effectively even under tight pressure.
Good communication is definitely key here. As an intern, you'll be receiving a lot of feedback from senior editors. How do you usually handle constructive criticism?
I welcome it openly. To me, constructive criticism is the fastest way to the growth, especially in the specialized file like editing. I see feedback from the senior editor as a valuable learning opportunity rather than the feedback.
That's the right mindset to have. Now, our internship system here is hybrid. How do you make sure you stay productive when working remotely or independently?
I am a big fan of daily to-do list and prioritize tasks based on the deadline. I also make sure to set up and dedicate distraction-free workspace at home to keep my focus. Most importantly, I believe proactive communication. If anything is unclear, I want his instead to reach out the team online.
Clear communication goes a long way in a hybrid setup. Regarding expectations, do you have any specific thought on the internship allowance?
Honestly, my main priority for the internship is the experience and the opportunity for learners from professionals in the industry. Because of that, I am competently open to discuss the allowance in accordance with company standard policy.
All right, Sandy. Before we work things up, do you have any question for us?
Yes, sir, I do. I love to know if copy editor interns will get the chance to work directly on upcoming manuscript and collaboration classes with the senior team during the publishing cycle.
Absolutely. Our interns don't just do for paperwork. You'll be assisting editors in reviewing real manuscripts and working on active projects under close mentorship.
That sounds incredibly exciting, ma'am. Thank you for the insight.
You are very welcome. Thank you for coming today, Sandy. The Ian touch regarding the next steps of the selection process.
Thank you so much your time and this opportunity, ma'am. Have a wonderful day ahead.
You too.